Hi everyone, now I'm going to introduce you our Tortorici coffee machine. First of all, I'm going to use our Tortorici coffee beans and add it to the container. I think that should be enough. I myself am a coffee lover, so I should be able to handle this one. Next, we are going to add this element to the machine. Our coffee beans are already in the container. The next step is to grind them. Before that, we have to switch on the coffee machine. The button for that is on the right side of the machine. I just switch it on. Next, we are going to choose the grinding time to 10 seconds. This you can adjust to your liking. The longer time, the more coffee will be ground, and so the stronger coffee you are going to taste. I'm going to press start now. As you can see, in 10 seconds we were able to get this much coffee, which is really a lot, and most probably I'll have to share it with someone. It's going to be a strong cup. Next, I have to position all the coffee powder in this container. I have to press it all down. After it's all pressed, next, after the coffee is ground and I all pressed it down within this small container, I have to add this part of the coffee machine. The way we do it is here. The important part with our coffee powder is here, and now I'm adding our branded cup, Tortorici cup, right under, so I can receive the coffee. And here I have a choice of 1 cup coffee or 2 cups coffee. I'm going for 1. I have just now received a strong portion or strong dose of coffee. Let's taste it. Wow, so intense. Fantastic.